Hello everyone, this is Carmen Stinson again from Forest Travel, and welcome back to another tip on how to improve your current travel program. Today I wanted to share with you some mistakes to avoid when making a corporate travel policy. So what are the most common mistakes when making a travel policy? First of all, not aligning your policies with your business culture. For example, the need for a booking tool that also offers an app, right? 2, strict policies that don't allow for adjustments on per diem, for example, like spending more in food and less in accommodation if that's important to you. 3, you've neglected to analyze the data on how active your policy is. So for example, you could be surprised to find that employees ordering room services are more productive because it gives them more time to get work done. Consider also a bit more for a comprehensive airline Wi-Fi package so your travelers can get the job done up in the air. 4, not investing in the right technology. You don't want to find yourself launching a program that can't scale or interface well with your current systems. 5, just vague communication. Be precise, but allow for exceptions. So for example, are non-stop flights priority to prevent loss of productivity? Finally, I wanted to remind you that if you have currently a travel program in place, let's chat and see if we can maximize it. But if you don't, pick my brain. Let me help you optimize your program. I think that 18% savings is worth 15 minutes of anyone's time. See you next week.